Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this tutorial. My name is JT with Investments and Refreshments, and today I'm going to show you my preferred method for buying Bonfire tokens. This is not the only method, but it is my preferred method because it gets around some network fees and payment processing fees. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. So first, before we get started, we're going to need a few things. We're going to need a Coinbase account and a Bitmart account. First, what we're going to do is open Coinbase. Once we're there, then we are going to open Stellar Lumens. I'll click on that. Then I'm going to open up my Stellar wallet. If you don't own any Stellar, then you can buy some here. You'll just hit trade and then buy XLM. And then you'll put in the amount that you want to buy. Since I already own some, I'm just going to open my wallet, hit the little paper airplane icon to send, and I want to send $300. Hit continue. Send crypto to a friend. Not now. Now, you're not going to be able to see this, but I'm going to copy and paste my address and memo from Bitmart because Bitmart does require both an address and a memo to be able to send XLM. So we'll go to assets, then we'll type in the search bar XLM. There it'll pop up. We're going to click deposit. Both a memo and an address are required to successfully deposit your XLM to Bitmart. Okay. So then we're going to copy the address, come back over into Coinbase, paste the address here, go back over into Bitmart, copy the memo, go back into Coinbase, paste the memo, preview send, and send. Then we're going to put in our two-step verification code. So we're going to hit done. And then we're going to wait for the text notification from Bitmart to let us know that our transaction was successful. Okay, so we just got the text message letting us know that the transaction was successful. So we're going to open up Bitmart. Then we're going to refresh to confirm. And yes, as we can see, our Stellar did come through. So then we're going to go to markets and then type in XLM, and we're going to trade XLM for USDT, and we are going to sell some XLM for USDT. Now here, I highly recommend setting a limit order. So let's go back into Coinbase and I'll show you how to do that. So a limit order basically says that I want to sell at this price and I don't want to sell lower than this price. The reason why that's important on Bitmart is because XLM fluctuates so much. Some of that is due to the popularity of trading XLM for USDT right now. So you're going to want to put in a little higher amount than what the market price is, according to Bitmart. So as you can see on Coinbase, it's saying that the market price right now is 65 cents. But on Bitmart, you can see that they're saying that it's 63.5 cents. And it's bouncing around a lot. So we're just going to put in that 64.8 cents. Quantity, we're going to do 100. And we're going to hit sell. And this can take a little bit longer, but it basically guarantees that you're not going to get ripped off. So I did drop the price down to 63.7 cents just to get on with the video. Okay, so it finally went through. And then if we click back over into the assets tab, we can see at the top that we now have 297 USDT, which we started with 300, so we have lost about 3% so far. But compared to the Ethereum network fees and the payment processing fees buying through Simplex, I would say that that's not bad at all. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go back over into markets, and we're going to search BNB for USDT. And we are going to buy. And here, what I recommend doing is going and doing a little research here to see what a decent price is currently for BNB. Okay, so it looks like 627 is pretty good. So we're going to come back over here and do 627. Let's just do 627.13. And we want to buy 100%. So we're going to click buy. Okay, so then as you can see, we go over into assets and we now have our total amount in BNB. I did have $90 still in my Bitmart account from earlier, so that can look a little confusing. I apologize for that. But regardless, we're going to push forward. So then we're going to click withdraw. And now we're going to go over into our trusty Trust Wallet. And we are going to be receiving BNB. So we're going to click copy, come back over into Bitmart, and paste the address there. Under amount, we're just going to hit all. And withdraw. Now we're going to need to verify that this is us. They're going to send us a code to our email and our phone number. Now I'm going to have to verify that this is me. Awesome. So now the withdrawal request has been created. And we're just going to wait for that transaction ID. Now the downside to this method is it is not fast. It's going to take 3 or 4 hours for my BNB to actually hit my wallet. So I will see you guys then. Okay, so finally, as you can see, we now have a transaction ID or a TX ID. So now we are going to go over and confirm that we've received it into our Trust Wallet. And as we can see here, we are showing that $390 that we've just sent in the Trust Wallet under BNB. So from here, what we are going to do is we are going to go to the DEX down at the bottom. Stands for Decentralized Exchange. And we are going to exchange. We're going to hit We Pay and hit BNB. And then what we get, which is going to be Smart Chain. And we just want to let's do 100% and hit swap. So we've got insufficient because we need to pay the network fee, which is going to be $2. So we're going to do 0.614, hit swap. And then if the send button is blue at the bottom, you know that you are good to go. So we're going to hit send. It's loading. Swap successfully completed. Hit OK. So now if we come back over to wallet and refresh, we can see that we've got $387 in Smart Chain. So now what we're going to want to do is go under DApps down at the bottom, which stands for Decentralized Applications, and go to Pancake Swap. Then here, if you haven't already, you're going to have to connect your wallet up at the top right-hand corner. You'll just hit connect, and it should just take a second. It might pop up and ask you if you want to connect MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and you'll just hit Trust Wallet. And then it should just connect automatically. So from here, we can see that under balance, we've got 0.614 BNB. So Pancake Swap doesn't already list Bonfire. So what you'll have to do is do a Google search for contract address Bonfire. So then we're just going to go to BSC Scan, which is a product of Etherscan. And down here, you can find that contract ID. And you're just going to copy it. Go back over into Pancake Swap. Then under where you select, you're going to click select a currency there. And then you can just paste the address here. And as you can see, Bonfire has been found. You're going to click add. Okay, so we are going to be exchanging 0.4 BNB for Bonfire here, and we're going to set our slippage tolerance at 13%. Then hit swap, confirm swap, confirm the transaction, hit approve, transaction submitted. We're going to hit close. We're going to X out of Pancake Swap, go to our wallet. And we're going to hit the little filter icon up at the top. We're going to search for Bonfire. Then we're going to mark that we want that to appear in our multi-coin wallet. We're going to hit the check mark, hit back. We're going to refresh a few times. So then we're going to refresh, and we can see that we've got 419 million Bonfire in our Trust Wallet now. And that's it. So from start to finish, this method will probably take about 4.5 hours. It does get around some fees, but some of the fees that you would pay, you might consider like a convenience fee because you don't have to wait 4.5 hours to actually get the token that you want to buy. But regardless, I'm just telling you my preferred method because I don't like to pay fees. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below. Consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell icon. If you have any feedback for this video or any ideas for future videos, please leave those in the comment section down below. I'll try and answer any questions that you guys may have as well. So if you guys have any issues going through the process, I'll try and answer any questions that you may have. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any sort of investment. Thank you guys so much for watching.